How to make money with digital products using AI tutorial. So go ahead and open your browser in your device. Now, one of the top digital products that you can do using AI tools is coloring books. There are many coloring pages that you can sell in the market. You can sell in Etsy, you can sell in Amazon KDP, and in any other platforms. You can make coloring pages for kids, for adults, for teens, including coloring book of flowers, mandala, animals, and scenery pages. There's this seller in Amazon KDP who sells coloring pages and storybooks, and their best sellers are usually coloring books of unicorns and other animals. And this one has a lot of sales. And if we try to solve and multiply it to its price, this book alone has total sales of $128,000, so that is a lot. Now, to make coloring books like this, you can use ChatGPT and Midjourney. Instead of doing it manually and thinking of pages one by one, we can use ChatGPT to create a list of coloring pages for us. By the way, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human like conversational dialogue. We can basically ask it for any information that we need for the book. So once I'm in here, I will simply ask it to generate coloring book ideas for children specifically. And as you can see, it will give a list of books that you can make. Moving on to Midjourney. Midjourney is a text to picture AI that allows users to generate images based on textual descriptions. This allows creation of a wide range art forms from realistic to abstract styles. What you have to do here is access the Midjourney bot on Discord, type in a slash and then followed by the word imagine. Click on the prompt and then simply describe the type of image that you want. Since we want a coloring book, just type in the word coloring book and then followed by the object that you want. As you can see, it generated 4 images. And then below is the upscale buttons which will load the image alone. And if you don't want anything from the current images that you have, you can click on the refresh button to generate new pictures. Here below is the version buttons, this V1, V2, V3, and V4. So if you want another version of an image, click on their corresponding V number and it will then generate. Now after generating the picture, you can then save the pictures and compile it into a book. Aside from coloring books, another option that you can sell is clip arts. Basically, you can sell graphics that buyers can use in their own personal projects. I searched for clip art in Etsy and here are some examples. And this orange clip art set alone was bought by 73,000 consumers, so obviously it is very high demand. A platform that you can use to make these types of graphics is Kittle. Kittle AI can generate vector illustrations and logo icons directly in the editor that can create stunning icons and perfectly align with your vision and project needs for any type of project. So once you're in the Kittle editing page, just make sure to click on this Kittle AI. It can be seen here on the left panel. Choose a clip art. Type in here the clip art that you want and then wait for it. It will then generate. You can then lay out it in the same site and then upload it for selling as clip art packages. Next up on the list is digital papers. There are many styles of digital paper and patterns that are being offered by successful shops. If you're not sure what digital paper is used for, buyers can use it as a physical product by printing them or they can use it as a digital product. Those who use it and print it as a physical product, they usually use it for scrapbooks, wrapping paper, cards, or those who use it digitally, they can use it as wallpapers or maybe background of digital PowerPoints or digital product that they're creating. So this shop has already made almost 80,000 sales and they're offering really cute digital paper for their customers. To make digital patterns like this, again use Kittle and then just describe your image. Let's say you want a floral pattern. Just specify your flowers. So type in florals with white daisies, I think I also want to add blue rose. And lastly, add green leaves on light pink background. After entering, wait for that to load and it will then show. Just adjust the pattern to fit the screen and then download it. And once you have it, you can then make another pattern to complete your digital pattern compilation. One tip that you can use is to select a specific art style in here to make your digital papers more consistent. So if you want a cute pattern, choose this one. You can just scroll through because there's a lot of choices in here. Another digital product that you can do is checklist. Printable planners and checklists perform really well on Etsy and Amazon KDP. And from what I observed, the best way to make sales as a new seller is to get very specific on the type of planner or checklist that you're offering. Here on Etsy, you can see that the best selling checklists are those which are very specific. This one is all in one. This one is the undated. And these very specific like college, new hire, cleaning schedule, and a lot more. Now, we can utilize ChatGPT and Canva for this one. Open Canva and then let's ask ChatGPT to give us ideas for checklist. Enter that in and as you can see, it will give you checklist ideas which you can make a layout. Now, if you have something that you like in here, just ask ChatGPT to specify and expand on it so that you know what to put on your checklist layout. Let's say we want this travel checklist. So just type that in and then wait for it to generate. Once it's loaded, go to Canva. By the way, Canva is an online design tool that offers users the opportunity to create professional looking posters, slideshows, images, event flyers, and any graphic design. And as you can see, you can use several tools in here to lay out the checklist with the information that ChatGPT gave to us. Lastly, you can also sell product mockups to make money. For those who are selling digital or physical products, some actually need to display them in an eye-catching way. And they might not be photographers or they don't have the means to have a good setup for their products. So that's when they purchase product mockups from another shops. You can offer frame mockups for shoppers to display their digital artwork. You can offer mock-ups for t-shirts, sweaters, mugs, tote bags, and all of these can be created within seconds using Midjourney. So in here, type in the command /imagine and then I want a mock-up for mug. So I'll type in a product mock-up of a mug with white background, leaf, and wood accessories at the back. Once that is loaded, this will show and I honestly like this one already but it has the leaves. So I'll click on its corresponding V. This means version and then I'll add in the word blank just to make sure it has no design. And once you have your picture, you can download that and from here, you can use and upload this as a product mockup or product template for other sellers. Again, you can offer mockup for t-shirts, sweaters, mugs, tote bags, any physical product that you can think of. So that is how to make money with digital products using AI. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.